This is Jyoti, working as Associate Professor in the Department of H&S, Laksha Institute of Technology and Sciences, Khammam. Today we are going to discuss about system of equations. For this I am considering a system of m equations in n unknowns. Here x1, x2 and so on xn are the variables which is nothing but the solution to the given system. Now we are going to find whether the system has a solution or not. Okay. So for this I am using the matrix method. So given the system, given this system, the above system in the matrix form is represented as this one. So A11, here the quotients are written in the one matrix and the variables x1, x2 and so on xn are written in the second matrix, and the constants on the right hand side is represented in another matrix which is known as B. Okay, so here A is called as quotient matrix and X is the variable column matrix and B is constant column matrix. Okay. So next we are going to construct the augmented matrix which is denoted with A over B and is obtained by adding the last column, adding as a last column the constant column matrix to the quotient matrix. So that is A over B is equal to A11, A21, A1n, and we are adding B1 here. A21, A22, A2n and so on B2, AM1, AM2, AMN and so on BM. Okay, so this is augmented matrix. The system of equations are of two types. One is homogeneous. The second one is non-homogeneous. So homogeneous equation is of this type. Ax is equal to 0. That means the constant column matrix is here the 0. Then the system is said to be homogeneous. If the constant column matrix is non-zero, that means B is not equal to 0, then it is said to be non-homogeneous system. Okay, every homogeneous system is always consistent. Consistent means if a given system has a solution, then the system is said to be a consistent. Okay, here every homogeneous system will have a solution which is the zero solution. So every homogeneous system is consistent. Okay, so it will have two types of solutions. One is the zero solution and the second one is non-zero solution. The system, the homogeneous system will have zero solution if only rank of A is equal to n. Okay. So when rank of A is equal to n, then the system will have only the zero solution. Okay. If the rank of A is less than n, that means the rank of the quotient matrix is less than the number of variables, then the system will have non-zero solution. Okay, so first homogeneous system is always consistent. It will have two types of solutions. One is the zero solution. Okay, zero solution when only rank of A is n. Otherwise, if determinant of A is not equal to 0, then the system will have only zero solution. Non-zero solution if rank of A is less than n or determinant of A is equal to 0. Coming to the second one, non-homogeneous system, it may have a solution or it may not have a solution. That means it may be consistent or inconsistent. Inconsistent means it may not have a solution. Okay. Now the given system, given homogeneous system is consistent when the rank of A is equal to the rank of A over B. That means the rank of the quotient matrix is equal to the rank of augmented matrix, then the system is said to be consistent. That means it will have a solution. Next, the system is inconsistent when rank of A is not equal to rank of A over B. That means the rank of quotient matrix is not equal to the rank of the augmented matrix, then the system will not have a solution. Okay. Now coming to the consistent one, then again the solution is of two types. The first one is unique solution. The second one is infinite number of solutions. The system will have unique solution when rank of A is equal to rank of A over B is equal to n, the number of variables in the given system. Then the system will have only unique solution. Infinite number of solutions when rank of A is equal to rank of A over B, which is less than n, which is the number of variables in the given system. Okay. So inconsistent when rank of A not equal to rank of A over B. That is briefly about the system of equations. When will it have a solution and when it will not have a solution.